Hello students, in this video we will learn different views of files and folders stored in computer. Windows 10 offers 8 different options to view files and folders in File Explorer window. These options help users to arrange and locate files and folders saved in the computer. To view the different view modes, open the File Explorer window by clicking on File Explorer option present on the taskbar. Now click on View tab. In the Layout group, 8 view modes are available. Let us learn about each view option one by one. The very first is Extra Large icon. This option displays the icons of the files and folders in extra large size. The second is Large icons. In this view mode, the icons of files and folders are smaller than that of the extra large icons view option. Third is Medium icons. It displays the icons in moderate size. This view mode is the most preferred one. Fourth is Small icon. This view displays icons of files and folders in small size as compared to extra large icons, and medium icons. The fifth one is List. This view mode displays the files and folders in the form of list. The sixth one is Details. This view provides the details of files and folders like name, date modified along with the time, type and size. Notice that it displays the size only of the individual files, not of the folders. The seventh view is Tiles view. This view mode organizes files and folders horizontally. The size of the icons in this mode is moderate. The name of the file or folder along with the information like type, size are displayed parallel to the icon. Notice that it displays the size of individual files, not of folders. The last view is Content view. It arranges files or folders in a content format. The name of file or folder is shown beside the icon. Content view mode also displays the information such as date modified along with the time and size. So these were the different views of files and folders available in File Explorer. Thank you.